So, hi ma'am, first of all, great to see you here.
Thank you.
First of all, please let me know about your great film, Band of Maharajas.
As you know, we're in the race for the Oscars, and so I would like to congratulate my team, my director, my producers, and of course, all my lovely co-stars. This film is about how boundaries, land, territories might divide us, and how music unites us. If you see, I might just show you the poster of our film, which gives you an insight automatically of how exactly the film is being portrayed. So this is our poster. Can you zoom in and see it? Yeah? So this is our poster, and our poster very clearly says, while country divides, music unites, right? So the idea behind the film is it's a funny comedy yet an intense film with a message. I'm playing the character called Simran and the love interest of the three boys from Punjab, and Simran, as you know, is a very common name in Punjab in all your films. तो ये फिल्म जर्नी है तीन लड़कों की जो बैंड वाले होते हैं एंड कैसे उनकी जर्नी फ्रॉम बीइंग बैंड वालास ट्रांसम्यूट्स इनटू बिकमिंग दीज रियली टैलेंटेड awe-inspiring, jaw-dropping musicians, and how their journey leads them to Pakistan, which is another story altogether, and how they meet those women who sing in Pakistan, and the entire rebellious, the entire synagogue, or the entire order of how music is prevailing, uniting, how people are fighting, how it is no longer a sin being committed, but it's actually an art of expressing your inner and outer feelings of just being a part of this colossal cosmic universe. So this film is about actually all of us. Today I'm sitting and speaking with you, but there might be a tune in my head that you might resonate with. There might be a film you might resonate with. So entertainment is also a platform जहाँ से a lot of people connect. तो ये सिर्फ एक emotional message नहीं है film का, but I also feel it's a very practical message on how we connect with each other at a very musical level. Even a child in the womb, like I was telling you, बच्चा womb में होता mother kuch, imagine you listening to Beethoven. The kid when is born will understand the symphony of Beethoven. So the point is कि music is so powerful. आप चाहे मंत्र पढ़ते हैं, जाप करते हैं, जो चांट करते हैं, सबके हर्ट्स होते हैं. तो इतना पावर है म्यूजिक में कि वो किस तरीके से बॉर्डर्स को और उनकी जो बाउंड्रीज हैं, दहलीजें हैं, उनको हटा देते हैं.
मैम, जैसे कि आप बात कर रही हैं, हमें दिख रहा है कि योर पैशन फॉर म्यूजिक इज जस्ट next level.
Thank you.
So how much important is music in your life?
Like I said, it is, music for me again is something that I resonate with deeply. It does not have to be an R&B, hip-hop, Hindi, classical, musical song only. I also listen to my Hanuman Chalisa at night when I'm sleeping. It's just the power behind a particular aspect and moment in my life. I can play any tune and I am good to go, and I can sleep through it, I can dive through it, I can dance through it, I can work out through it. Music बहुत एक I think अहम हिस्सा है मेरे life का, and I think that gave me a voice for dancing. Like, why would I say that? It's because music led me to dancing. That led me to expressing myself as an actor. So it was actually a series and a combination of things in my life which took place because my parents love music. My mom loves to sing. My dad loves to sing. Loved to sing, my dad, I'm so sorry. That led me to actually expressing myself through a physical movement, which is dancing, which led me to becoming an actor after being on stage. So it's like a symphony again. It's a story. Music is a story that I have created for myself to actually express myself in various different ways. Though I'm not a musician, but I love the fact that it makes me feel so empowered.
We have seen your Insta profile. You're so active on social media. You're a fitness freak. You're a dancer. You love music.
Thank you.
Partially, you're a singer too.
You can call me a bathroom singer.
Definitely better than that. And you also work for fashion magazines. You shoot for covers. So How do you juggle all those kind of things?
You know, I think when people talk about how do I juggle with the work I do, I think I love the hustle. I love the challenges that life throws at me because I thrive on that. I am a person who gets bored if things are I love easy things too, like if things come easy in my life, thank you God. But I love the hustle. I love a challenge and I love a routine. So if I'm doing this with you right now, I'm ready to do the next thing after this because my energies are always at peak when it comes to my work. Now, if it comes to me being told, let's go to a party all night, you'll probably see me after 1-2 hours. I'm just like, ghar chale, like I'm bored. My mind is bored because I'm a high functioning sociopath in that way because I want my neurons and protons to always be functioning. तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है कि I'm on my toes और मुझे मेरे काम से इतना प्यार है कि मैं, to be honest with you, I've not slept since yesterday because I was working. I probably slept for 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I've finished a couple of shoots and I've come here again without sleep. And I'm thriving on caffeine right now. But I think हम इसी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं actors. You know, if you see all the biggest superstars who are juggling in life with the kind of work that they're doing, it is only because of the fact that they love what they're doing, they're passionate about it. Priyanka Chopra is traveling continents by the day and by the night. So हम तो अभी कतार में हैं. So we need to be inspired by these people, you know, who kind of show us that when you love something, there is no stopping you, and then you should not be stopping yourself. The only foundations you have are here. And I literally, when it comes to my work, I am up and running because I'm like, this is my time. I gotta make the most of it.